Hey guys, Jason Guyman here. So this is going to be a Christmas light channel. This is my second video. I am going to do a video a day for a month, maybe up to Christmas, I don't know yet, but definitely from October 10th through November 10th. So in this video, I just wanted to do a little bit of video about what I have done and kind of the love of Christmas that I have for the Christmas lights. So I love Christmas lights. I love everything about Christmas. My daughter, she loves everything about Christmas. She listens to Christmas music every night, all year long. So we hear Christmas 364 days, 365 days a year, all Christmas. So today I'm going to kind of go over what I have done and kind of what we owned a Christmas light business. But I'm not going to do all about business. It's going to be how to put up, whether you're a homeowner, if you want to put up like a professional as a homeowner. If you want to start a business, that's great too. I'll go over all the details in there. If you have any questions, please comment below. Also, please hit the subscribe button and smash the bell so you can hear the updates when they come. So in this video, I'm going to go over what all we've done. So in 2014, I believe it is, we started a Christmas light business with our pressure washing business. And through that, we have grown it through the years. And in 2017, we did 150 installs of houses of Christmas lights. So you say, well, what that have to do? So I've learned how to do Christmas lights. We do the automated Christmas lights if we want to do that. I make stuff, all that great stuff. And I'm going to show you how to make stars. I've done stars that I made, simple stars. I'm making snowmen and all different kinds of stuff. And that is what this channel is going to be all about, is all about Christmas. So with that being said, we're going to do a little bit of a walk around of what all we have here in the shop. All right, so in the back here, you're going to see these right here are 60-inch wreaths. These here are 48-inch wreaths. These here are 36-inch wreaths. And we got some 24-inch wreaths. If we walk back here in the back, we got a whole lot of wreaths. We have over 65 60-inch wreaths that we put up on customers' houses. So I'm going to show you how to install wreaths later on video. All of these over here, all of these down here, all of this, all of these over here, those, and that's my daughter that loves Christmas. So those are all of customers' houses that we put up and install on customer houses. This right here is a star that is broken that goes up in there and slides down like so. Actually, the whole thing is broken. I might have to put a new T on it. So this is a star that we put on a building way up in the air. It's about 40 feet high, and then we have strands coming off of it. It's actually a pretty cool thing. We got another star down here. We got all kinds of Christmas stuff. You name it, Christmas, we have it. The other thing we have is this big pile of Garland. Garland, I hate Garland. Garland stinks, but I'll show you. And then these are some snowmen I made. They're in the making right now. So we're going to come out here in our big shop, and you're going to see all of these lights here. All of these are warm white. All of those up there are multicolor, or red, blue, green. This is all of these totes right here. All of those totes right there are all clips. These are all the clips that we do. We take all the clips off of each roll, and that way it makes it easier for us to install the next year. That's one less thing that you have to do to mess with the lighting. And then we got some more lights, and these are all, and this is 2 deep, and I know it don't look very big, but when you get up close, it's a whole lot of lights. So with that, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel. And the next 30 days, 29, because this will be number 1, will be all about Christmas lights. And there might even be a spooky ghost man in there too that we've done orange for Halloween. So I want to please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get it to 100. I'm close. My goal is to get it to 1,000, and then 5,000, and 10,000. So I want you to please subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas.